The last
Yeah.
close below it was November 1st, 2023. Since then,
Year and a half.
been green pastures.
Nice.
Nice.
Interesting level here.
Ash Emmett in chats, can you address the issues with Top Step X? Yeah, so there's an outage for about a minute. Everyone is aware who needs to be aware. They will work on resolutions. But as of right now, Top Step X is working just fine. Just fine. Shubham has a question in chat. Let me see. Oh, he's going to rephrase it. Yes, Ash. We are working.
Hey,
on
Dobie. I'm kind of tired here.
You're tired? Do you want to go to sleep? You can go if you want.
Kevin, we can put you out.
It's 12 midnight here. Yeah.
Oh,
midnight. Oh,
people asking why am I in Combine? Okay, I have a very busy Chinese New Year, so I blew up my phone.
Order filled.
So at that time, yeah, so busy at my Chinese New Year. So I don't suggest trading when you are so busy. You will make a lot of worse trades.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, that's it.
Order
so don't worry, I'll be back up. Yeah.
All right.
Perfect.
Well, Kevin, it was good to see you, man. Thanks. Awesome presentation. Everything else, I put up the wrong names. There we go. Any final words?
No. Top Step PV has been great.
All
right. I'm going to drop your link in chat as well. Kevin, thank you so much for coming on.
Thank you, everybody.
Hanging out with us on a Friday night.
Kevin.
Put your YouTube link in chat. Feel free to click it. Kevin, feel free to log off, get out of here. Thank you so much for your time. Got about 45 minutes here left in fast markets. Kevin just showed up, put on killer trades. Came, saw, conquered, going to bed. The life of a winning.
See you guys.
Hey, see you, Kevin.
Later, Kevin.
Later, Kevin.
Known Kevin for a long time, all the way back when I was doing Top Step Partners. Our Taiwanese, actually our only Taiwanese partner. NASDAQ rolling over here, 19,940s.
This is the short I was looking for.
Yeah. Trader Paulina action. No stats today, no levels. This is the skinny version of Top Step TV until Monday. Monday we are back at full strength, so we'll have all those high production value goodies that we'd normally have on the show. Hopefully you have enjoyed the light version of Top Step TV. I think Jack, Eddie, and I have been enjoyed putting on this show for all y'all the past 3 days. It's been very much fun hanging out with you guys. Been trading well. Callie, Rick, I'll give it to you right now. Still got a lot of show left today. The markets have been giving us a lot of action. A lot to talk about. We've had some fun moments on air too. We had Hoop yesterday kind of open up about his struggles as a trader. Kind of got me going a little bit, moved me on the inside. It's very rare that we see so much, insight and transparency into traders, and to have him be vulnerable with us yesterday that was really nice. It was very special. But we all go through it.
Order filled.
Okay, we just had Kevin on. Great trader, very successful.
Yeah.
Shit got hard during Chinese New Year and didn't trade well. That happens. Every one of us can relate to that. That's what makes trading so hard, is that there's so little room for error. Every little decision needs to be accurate. Risk has to be managed. Shubham, you rephrased. Let's see what your question is.
All right, keep vibing, Dolby. I'm trying to adjust the shots for the three of us.
Oh, yeah, go ahead. Shubham had a question. I need to find it. He rephrased it.
I wish Kevin's timing was a little closer to ours. It was really an honor to have him on. And his little presentation was pretty cool. He had that ready to go. Share with us. I'm sure we'll get him on again here very shortly.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's just the time zone's very tricky, but he's awesome to have on.
Yeah, that's tough.
Okay, so Shubham's question. Sometimes I get caught off guard and fail to cut my loss in time. Though it rarely happens, but when it does, I end up taking a big hit. most of the time I manage my trades well. How can I improve? I guess, do you always have I guess, how are you caught off guard? I guess is my question, Shubham. If your trade is already in and you're using bracket orders, you really shouldn't be caught off guard because you should have an expectation of either one of two things happening. Either your stop gets hit or your take profit gets hit. So there might be something there if you're using stops or if you're not. But also expectations. You might want to kind of manage your expectations of your trades. I always find that having expectations is not great because the only thing that can really happen is that they get broken. So if you have expectations of something happening and then it doesn't happen, then you're going to be heartbroken. I think it's much easier to have no expectations at all and just accept whatever happens to you.
Feels like we want to take out these lows here.
Sure seems like it.
Not seeing a whole lot at 5,700 in the S&P.
Hey, Dolby time, if you got that link again for Kevin's YouTube.
Oh, sure.
I remember he did say it's mostly in Chinese, but there are a few English. He did have. You post that in the chat one more time for everybody here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Eddie, you ask and you shall receive, and chat you also will receive. I just linked Kevin's YouTube channel. Yeah, right. I will. And there it is. So that's actually the video is to his YouTube channel, but it's also the English version of what he was just talking about with sort of his range bound pin bar strategy that he was kind of using today with great success.
Order filled.
Success.
Thank you.
Yes,
Jack,
Nick. Oh, yeah, no problem. Jack, you're back. Hello.
I got sized up.
Oh, that's right. You'd redo all the screens.
Yeah, we're
you
good.
did it.
But it's good.
Gold, 71% long.
Ooh.
Knocking on the door. 5,700. We're below 5,700 again in the SPX.
God, this thing just wants to roll.
Yeah, it does.
Gotta say, a little bit tricky talking and taking trades, but man, this thing looks so tempting. Oh my goodness. Who has FOMO? Raise your hand.
Who has
FOMO?
I'll raise mine.
Yep.
Talking about building this ad short at 24s, and we had the president speaking. And sometimes it's just trust your levels, trust your technicals, regardless of what's going to happen. Because if I get in short at 57.24, I have my stop defined. He could come back and say, "Hey guys, I lied about the tariffs and whatever," and we spike up 1,000 points. My risk is still defined on that trade. So sometimes it's you want to be aware that the news is coming out, but you just got to take your trades.
You really do. I have to say, yeah. Go ahead, Jack.
I took long to MES.
Nice.
Different time frames.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't gonna be no bag holder.
Yeah, it's definitely different. Talking a bunch, also trading at the same time. It's just kind of just goes to show just how delicate our mind's like internal ecosystem has to be when placing trades. We really want to be just as clear-headed as possible and have as few distractions as possible, so our execution can be seamless. Just see trade, take trade, no second doubting, none of that business. The mind is a crazy thing. We had Jerome on too. Was it yesterday or the day before? He had a really nice little kind of monologue on the brain and dopamine and how it affects our trading. I think we might be clipping that as well. Another great moment during
I love that.
Unplugged.
The fear, flight, fight symptoms, but it's true. I think that's the biggest thing is like people are so when we talk about bag holders, if you think about a stock or something, it's so much easier to just keep buying something that's going lower than it is to hold something for 10x or something.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's
like
it's tricky.
Whenever I think it's like, oh man, I wish I'd gone back and bought Nvidia 10 years ago. It's like, no, I would have sold it.
Yeah,
I
right.
even ended up shorted at some point, like I did with a certain other company recently.
Hindsight Capital is hiring, always is.
You actually don't apply to Hindsight Capital; they just accept you.
Reach out to you, yeah.
Beforehand, you've been hired.
They already know.
Your interview was years ago.
Actually, Coach Jay, I really like your comment here from Aaliyah. Doesn't have to be this huge intellectual journey. Just click the button. I mean, you're not wrong. You're not wrong.
Yeah.
Oftentimes,
yeah.
yeah.
Go ahead,
I was just gonna say having that little extra thought or two between wanting to put on the trade and then putting it on is typically not beneficial. Whatever those thoughts are, it's just if it feels good, it's in your setup, just take it, ask questions later. Because if you're asking questions, it's going to be too late. By the
Order
time you get
filled.
that question answered, it's going to be way too late.
Yeah.
Either you
If we-
miss the trade entirely, or you get shitty location. That's what we want.
If we think about it, right, athletes, if we call
Order
ourselves,
filled.
MP says it, athletes are the marketplace. Athletes
Mhm.
don't think when they're playing the game. It's all instinct and pattern recognition and muscle memory, right? They did all the
Yes.
thinking during slow times, and maybe you speed up your practice or whatever it is. But when it's time to perform, there's really no thinking, right? It's, hey, I've seen this, I need to execute. And in the short time frame that we're doing this as day traders, that's exactly what we need to do, right?
Mhm.
The thinking, the planning is already done. I'm just running the play at this point.
You know,
Already accepted risk.
I agree. I
Order
mean, it's
filled.
the action. You know,
Mhm.
you have everything planned out, whether it's a good trade or a bad trade. What am I going to do? Don't be the deer in the headlights when you get to that situation. What do I need to do? Have that action ready. You know, it's the same thing like you say, Jay. You know, if you know we're down, we got 30 seconds here, no timeouts.
A64 short. Why?
Order
We got
filled.
76. We got somebody betting 11. Right here. Look at that. A76. Wow. Look how high that went. 60, 70. I'm looking at this. How high does it go? But now I need to learn. What do you need to learn? You need to learn to go with the numbers. 64. 64, 70, 73, 71, 71, 71, 71, coming down. Ooh, we're going to add. There we
Order
go.
filled.
Add it. Now we are at 64, 63 short. Looking good, looking good, looking good. We stay with 64 and we look over here. Over here too. 78. Somebody got 78. So 78 is so we... Oh. Huh? 78. Why is 78 over here? That's odd. 78. These are local. Because that's 34 and that's 35. So you betting to go to 7. You want to sell 20. You in the weeds, my friend. You want to sell 20. Or you want to get in at 78. So if you want to get in at 78, I want to get in at 78 too. Although it's going to kick me out any minute now. 78, 78, 78, 2, 85. Where are we? 64. Yeah. 3. We go here. We go here and we look for 78. 70. Oh no, that's no bueno. I think I made a mistake. I'm glad I checked. I'm glad I checked. This one, no. Okay, not that one. Oh, that 78 is gone. Now 58. 58, 63. We are at 60.
Order
64.
filled.
We got filled. We got filled. It's going. It's going. And it's 11:30. It's going. How much do you want to make? Let's look. Let's look. Let's look. Let's look. Let's look on. What's the most you made on this one? Wow. 2, 1, 1. And the other one. How much do you made on this one? What's the most? 455, 467, 634. Oh my goodness. You knocking on heaven's door. You knocking on the stock market door. You knocking on the... What the Gemini? I'm in a trade. I didn't know. Oh, crap, man. This is terrible. But let's... Okay. So we're in a trade times how many? 3. 3. Okay. We are in 334. How did that happen? How did that happen, Mr. Antonio Valentin? How did that take place? Okay. Okay, so what are we looking for? We're looking a little bit further down. Where are we? Wow. Are we long? We long, Antonio. That's no good. We need to cut it. We need to cut it ASAP.
Order filled.
Cut it. We cut it because that's not the idea. How the Gemini did we get long? How can we go long when we know we got to go short?
Order filled.
We got to go short. Come on. Come on. We got to go short. 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 This is not good. We got to go short. We got to go short. What is short on here is, oh, right here. 1 and 2. and 2 right here, short. Come on. I didn't know about that. I wasn't aware of that. Nobody was telling me about that. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We are short from 8:30. 8:30.
Order filled.
There we go. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Give me 46. Give me 46. Come on. Maybe I throw in 2 just to give you a heads up. Come on, come on, come on. Ah, man. How you gonna give me something and then take it back? That's not fair. That's not the way of doing business. Man. That wasn't the idea. That was not the idea. And now, that was for being greedy. Being greedy. Being greedy. Oh, you could maximize that. Look at the Renko charge. They hardly have any chingaderas. Watch. Renko chart. Renko chart. Look at that.
Order filled.
Ooh, order filled. Boom. Order filled. Okay. Okay. Wait, what is this? Renko chart. Let's I don't know what that is. Oh, that was my value profile. Doesn't work there. So, what did we just do? We added some more, but that's not how it is. That's not how it is. We're going to where? We're going to what I said before, but maybe move now. 19754. Let me write it here because people don't believe. People don't believe the hype. People don't believe me when I talking to them. Mother flowers. Oh, I was in many chat rooms and they all kicked me out because I posted the real truth, just like Average Joe Trader. Look him up. If you need assistance to do what I do, look for AverageJoeTrader.com. Average Joe Trader, he's the man. 19. What is the number? What is the number? What is the number? 755. 755. I'm writing it down. That's the price target MNQ. MNQ today. Today. Mother flowers. I'm telling you. You play around. You get as the price target, mom. Oh, I said I was going to do it right here. So I'm going to do it again. Watch. I'm going to put my desk there and I'm going to print it here. Comment. Same as before. Actually, no, I got to do it from the get-go. PT what? Price target. What did I say? 19.755 today. And no, not there. You need to go back up here. And Q. This takes a long time, man. You need a freaking secretary to have this going. There. And we're going to make it. We got 14 there. Just in case this one disappears, we see where we going. And I'm going to say, what we got? What are we doing? Where are we? This is not right. This is not right there. I don't like it like this. Oh, look at that. It's going to be 445. So then we can go long. Oh, man. Antonio. Let's look. 74, 94, 74, 94, 15, 11. They're trying to guess to go up, but they don't know the magic of this right here. They think this is it. No, it's going to rebound, maybe, maybe not. But if he does, oh yeah, there it is. What's the number? It's 19755. 1975. 19755. That's where it's going today. We'll see by later. Let's do something. Let's close this up right now. Thank you, everybody. If you like what you saw me coming back from minus 700, almost 700. If that other video didn't go through, well, sorry about that. But I wish, I really wish that OBS did me the solid and not mess me up.